Okay, let's start with some easy problems. Just finding the value of x using your Pythagorean theorem. And you know that the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I don't know why it's doing it. There we go. So, okay, find the value of x. Give your answer in the simplest radical form. That's where we simplify our radicals. Okay, so the side that's across from the right angle, that's your C side. So then the other sides can be your A side and your B side. Doesn't matter which one's A and which one's B. So your formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So then you just fill this stuff in. Let's pick a new color. Okay, so A, that's 6. So 6 squared plus B is 8. 8 squared equals, and C is what we're trying to figure out. So x squared. Oh, I really should have gotten a calculator. Okay, 6 squared, that is 36 plus 64 equals x squared. And then 36 plus 64, that's 100, equals x squared. And then you take the square root of both sides to get rid of this square. Okay, so that'll just take us down to what's x? Well, x is 10. So that side there is 10 long. Okay. And then let's try a slightly harder problem. I hope I don't need a calculator because I sure didn't get one. And it's over in the drawer and I don't want to stop this whole recording to go get it. But anyway, let's find the value of x here. Okay, this time, yeah, it is. It's a slightly more difficult problem, but it works the same way. Okay, so there's your right angle. So the side that's across from the right angle, that's your C side. Then the other sides are your A and B, however you put it, it doesn't matter. Okay, so then we know that A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and then you just fill it in. So A, that's x squared plus B squared is 7 squared equals, and then C squared is x plus 1. So we want to square the whole thing. So we're going to go x plus 1 and put it in parentheses and square the whole thing. Okay? So, okay. So x squared just stays x squared. And then 7 squared turns into 49. And then x plus 1 squared, that's the same as x plus 1 times x plus 1. So we got to multiply all these little parts together. Okay, so here we go, purple. So first we're going to go x times x is x squared. Okay, and then we're going to go 1 times x. That's just x. And then we're going to go, what haven't we done yet? Then we can go 1 times 1, that's 1. And then we can get the last one that we haven't done yet, that would be this 1 times this x over here, that's another x. Okay, so now we've got x squared plus 49 equals all this stuff that we just did. So now we want to solve this little problem. There's the equal sign. Okay, now on this side, there's nothing to combine. So we'll just leave it. X squared plus 49 equals. Now on this side, we can combine our like terms. So like this x goes with this x. Now the x squared doesn't have a match, so you just copy that down. X plus x, how many x's is that? That's 2 x's. Okay. And then we've got this 1, there's nothing for that to go with yet, so plus 1. Okay, when you've got something on both sides of the equal sign, So I have an x squared over here, and I have an x squared over here. Those are just going to cancel each other out, so just cross them out. I have an x squared here, I have an x squared here. They basically just get rid of each other. Okay? So now what do I have? Now I have, I better write in a better color though. Now I have 49 equals 2x plus 1. Now I can just solve it like regular. Minus 1, that's going to take this 1 and move it over here. So now 49 minus 1, that's, I'm gonna come up here. 49 minus 1 is 48 equals 2x divided by 2. 48 divided by 2, that's 24 equals x. Okay, so awesome. 24 equals x. They asked me to figure out what was x. I did that. So yay me, there's my answer.